Hi friends, welcome back to A to Z English words. A for awkward, English meaning clumsy, Tamil meaning vigaramana. B for bald, English meaning without hair, Tamil meaning வழுக்கையான. C for cling, English meaning keep hold, Tamil meaning கெட்டியாக பற்றிக்கொள். D for dimple, English meaning natural depression in the cheek, etc. Tamil meaning கன்னம் போன்ற பாகங்களில் ஏற்படும் குழிவு. E for endure, English meaning bear with patience, Tamil meaning சகித்துக்கொள். F for fluctuate, English meaning vary, Tamil meaning மாறுபடு. G for general, English meaning common, Tamil meaning பொதுவான. H for honorable, English meaning worthy of honor, Tamil meaning மேன்மை தங்கிய. I for ineligible, English meaning unfit, Tamil meaning தகுதியற்ற. J for junction, English meaning meeting point, Tamil meaning சந்திப்பு அல்லது கூடுமிடம். K for naughty, English meaning difficult, Tamil meaning சிக்கலான. L for lethargy, English meaning laziness, Tamil meaning சோம்பேறித்தனம். M for magnify, English meaning enlarge, Tamil meaning பெரியதாக்கு. N for naked, English meaning uncovered, Tamil meaning மூடப்படாத. O for offhand, English meaning at once, Tamil meaning உடனே. P for probability, English meaning likelihood, Tamil meaning வாய்ப்பு. Q for quarry, English meaning a stone pit, Tamil meaning கல்லெடுக்கும் சுரங்கம். R for responsible, English meaning answerable, Tamil meaning பொறுப்புள்ள. S for subside, English meaning settle down, Tamil meaning தனி அல்லது அடங்கு. T for target, English meaning aim, Tamil meaning இலக்கு. U for uproot, English meaning tear up by the roots, Tamil meaning வேரோடு பிடுங்கு. V for vigilant, English meaning watchful, Tamil meaning விழிப்பான. W for worse, English meaning bad or evil in a greater degree, Tamil meaning அதிக கெடுதலாக. X for maximum, English meaning the greatest size, Tamil meaning அதிகபட்சம். Y for away, English meaning at a distance, Tamil meaning தூரமாய். Z for memorize, English meaning learn by heart, Tamil meaning மனப்பாடம் செய்.